Hello everyone, this is Maurson, and in this video I am going to tell you what are the top 5 electronic niche winning products for Shopify dropshipping, which are hot right now. So, let us start. Number 5. Cleaning Pen Bluetooth Earbuds. Hagibis is the real cleaning tool set for iPads, especially good for leather or protein leather earpad, which can protect your beloved headphones. This product has two sides. One side features a cleaning surface to remove dust, the other end is an eraser to remove dirt and oil from your headset when you need it. Both of them are very simple to use for any ages and easy to carry when you travel. Number 4. Pro Fitness Smartwatch. While combining elegance and performance, our new smartwatch has been designed to simplify your daily life. Thanks to its clear and modern interface, it is very easy to handle. With its many features, it will be the perfect ally to follow you at every moment of the day. Compatible with all Apple, Android, and Windows smartphones, it will allow you to be always connected to your phone without having to take it out. Number 3. Bluetooth Earphone Cleaning Pen. High quality, made of environmentally friendly materials, it will not damage the earplug components and holes. Pen-shaped and portable. Pen-shaped design, lightweight and easy to carry. It can be used anytime, anywhere. Applicable to digital products such as Bluetooth headsets, mobile phones, computers, tablets, cameras, etc. Number 2. Hairdryer Rack Toilet Wall Mounted. It can be rotated by 180 degrees up and down and can be adjusted to any angle, which is more convenient to use. The silicone fixing belt is soft and elastic, not easy to break, and can be stretched at will. It is suitable for various models of large and small. When not in use, the wire can be wound up and stored neatly and does not take up space. Paste without marks, not hurt the wall, not afraid of moisture, not easy to fall off. The spiral rotating fixed bracket can be adjusted at any angle. Number 1. Secret Sentry Trademark Symbol # Magnetic Wireless Mini HD Camera. Guard your home security anytime, anywhere. Wide viewing angle, never miss any detail. With a 150-degree viewing angle, the camera provides a wide viewing range in your room. It enables you to know every movement that happened in your house anytime, anywhere. All-purpose magnetic, easy to fix. A built-in magnet with a magnetic base can stick anywhere you want. Enhanced night vision, see clearly in the dark. Bonus. Headphones Waterproof Sports Bluetooth Wireless Headphones. Immerse in bass, release from noise. Base One adopts AUSDOM's new Noise HLMET technology, through DSP intelligence computing to generate reverse sound waves equal to noise, thereby environment noise reduction is achieved. Superb deep bass, you can feel it. With new 40mm NDFEB dynamic drivers plus dual 30mm integrated speaker units, it will tell you what's real bass and power rhythm hits your heart directly. More advanced chip, more stable connection. It features Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.0 chip. Compared to QC 4.0, it increases transmission speed, transmission distance, connection stability, and information capacity by times. Faster charging. Thank you for watching and subscribe to Maurson for more such videos.